three-digit numbers in Spanish. You have learned them. Now it's time for mastery. How well do you think you know them?
¿Están todos listos? 364, 572, 765, 102, 915.
If you're like me, that was tough. This video is going to give us the practice we need to master three-digit Spanish numbers. Let's go. If you've been with me since the beginning, you're probably going to find this one a little bit tough. But stick it out. It's worth it. Push through that difficulty. When it gets too fast, skip one, go on to the next one. Try and pick it up, but don't stop the video. These three-digit numbers, they set the foundation for four-digit numbers, and that's going to be important. We'll talk about it in that video. Don't forget to write down your answers. It'll laser focus your concentration and supercharge your mastery. I do want to note just one thing. I'm assuming you've already learned these numbers. So you know 100 versus ciento, you know 500, you know 700, and you know 900. These don't follow the same rule of 200 and 300. So if you're not familiar with those yet, you might be thrown a little bit. That's okay. The pronunciation is just a little bit different to make it smoother for conversation. Okay, here's our 10 by 10 grid. I've added numbers at the top to make it easier to grade your results. You can ignore them for now. The numbers on the left are a speed indicator. 16 words per minute, 18 words per minute, all the way up to 38, over twice as fast as the first row. Simply start in the top left corner and write down the number you hear. In real life, numbers don't come in sequential order, so I've randomized the order here also to promote true mastery. We have with us Joanna. She's a native Spanish speaker from Colombia. Help us with our three-digit numbers.
Hola, ¿estamos listos? 462, 300, 504, 501, 139, 911, 437, 110, 315, 244, 536, 491, 994, 755, 175, 178, 265, 846, 240, 533, 601, 348, 322, 367, 969, 836, 968, 294, 374, 281, 375, 708, 699, 749, 788, 461, 444, 118, 377, 123, 971, 557, 874, 556, 866, 368, 802, 903, 466, 291, 179, 944, 802, 226, 125, 573, 870, 435, 180, 106, 717, 338, 773, 229, 263, 255, 849, 555, 776, 482, 152, 840, 598, 704, 819, 562, 192, 683, 993, 377, 194, 757, 557, 560, 387, 870, 835, 269, 740, 963, 201, 419, 900, 947, 508, 898, 905, 818, 695, 524.
Here's the answer sheet. Go ahead and grade yourself. It's okay if you got some wrong. That's the expectation. That wasn't so bad, was it? Well, for me, whew, man, that was tough. So I'll be playing this video 7 days in a row, recording my scores, and I'll compare the beginning to the end. I hope you do the same. Take that 7-day challenge. Record your scores and leave them in the comments below. I'd like to see how you're improving. All right, I'm up to bat. 7-day challenge. This is day 1.
462, 300,
We'll just speed up the video here and cut out most of the center. That way you don't have to watch the whole thing.
818, 695, 524.
So let's take a look at my results. It looks like I got 78% correct. Row 6, that's speed 26 words per minute. I did pretty good. But higher than that, it went downhill. That's all right. I don't mind the mistakes. I'll be looking for these to improve in the coming days. I do want to make one point clear that I don't think I've mentioned before. Joanna's not actually speaking any faster. At the faster speeds, I've simply reduced the amount of space in between the numbers. The pace that she's speaking the numbers is the same from the first number to the last. It only seems faster because there's less time for us to translate. I'm taking this challenge. I'm going to do this every day for for 7 days, and then see where I land after a week. I'll post my results. I hope you join me. If you found this video useful, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you know when I upload new videos. If you liked it, click the like.
Espero estos videos les estén ayudando para aprender los números. Me encanta que estén aprendiendo un nuevo idioma. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao, chao.